Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about milk pumps and explain why they are a helpful tool for many mothers during their feeding journey. A milk pump allows mothers to collect milk for later use, making it easier to manage daily routines, return to work, travel, or simply have more flexibility throughout the day. There are two main types of pumps: manual pumps and electric pumps. Manual pumps are lightweight and easy to carry, while electric pumps are often chosen by mothers who pump more frequently. Before using any pump, always wash your hands and make sure every pump part is clean, dry, and assembled correctly. A clean setup is an important part of a safe pumping routine. Finding a comfortable place to pump can also make a big difference. Many mothers prefer a quiet space where they can relax without interruptions. When you begin pumping, start with a gentle and comfortable rhythm. There is usually no need to rush or immediately use strong suction. A slow and steady approach often feels more comfortable. After each session, carefully transfer the collected milk into a cleaned storage container and label it if necessary. Staying organized makes storage much easier. Cleaning the pump after every use is equally important. Proper cleaning helps maintain hygiene and keeps the pump ready for your next session. It may take a little time to become familiar with your pump, but many mothers find that pumping becomes much easier once they establish a regular routine. Remember that every mother's experience is different. The best pump is the one that fits your lifestyle, feels comfortable to use, and supports your daily routine. With patience, consistency, and good organization, a milk pump can become a reliable and valuable part of your everyday life. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.